Greetings and blessings, my viewers and my subscribers. You don't know, so NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production, right? And right about now, my people, Jano Star. I don't know. Wow, because the story that I'm gonna tell you about now, people, it's about a Jamaican man, right, in the United States of America. He's 47 years old, people, and this man, right, they said it was alleged that he committed suicide on Monday at about 9:15 a.m. A relative who was at the house where he's in Delaware in the United States, people, found his lifeless body and thing, and they said this man, he was born in Jamaica, in Yala, St. Thomas. He migrated to the United States at the age of 15, and in 2017, he formed his business, that's a restaurant business, the Bull Bay Caribbean Cuisine in the United States, in Delaware. And right now, everyone is shocked, people. His friends, families, workers who work with him, because he is the owner and founder of his restaurant. Everyone is sad, they are shocked, they cannot believe, and what would have led him to do that to himself. But it is suspected that it's suicide. And people, sometimes you will see a man there who will got many things. You will think that he is happy, he's great, but deep inside there's something dark inside of him that only he knows, and he won't tell you. You will see him smiling every day, come to you, but only Jah knows. But still, it's not the road. Suicidal, not the road for no man. You understand? It's not the road, and it's not the road where people should be choose, but some people just can't control it. Some people have so much problems, so much stress, and they think that's the best solution to do, but it's just sad, people. What really, we remember, a year back, the Golden Cross boss, you understand, he did do the same thing to himself. He was a businessman in the United States, also have so much business, and he does that to himself. Suicide. Now another businessman, and they said this man's business was going so successful. You understand, it was a great restaurant, very nice cooking and everything, one of the top restaurants, they said, in Delaware for Caribbean cuisine. So from me, NEWLINK Production, and the team, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family and friends of this man. You understand, people? And many people will say his memory is there, but they shall live on. Just sad, people. Blessings, enough love, enough respect, peace. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Big up. Blessings.